Hey guys, long time no see. I have a bunch of these squishies that I just found, and I was just wondering if anyone would like to buy them. I am going to sell them with a bunch of info in the bottom, so if you're interested, just please let me know. There is some squishy buns, and they have a bunch of faces, and there's a bunch of donuts, and yeah. So if anyone would like to buy them, please let me know and just PM me and I will put the info in the bottom. Thanks, bye.